Replacement doors. Tailor are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and functionality. Whether you're considering entry door replacement or patio doors, Tailor MI, our expert team provides top-notch door installation Tailor Michigan services to meet your needs. Doorinstallation. Tailor Michigan is a critical service for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency and security. Our energy-efficient doors. Tailor Michigan are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior protection against the elements. Entry door replacement. Tailor is a popular choice for homeowners wanting to make a strong first impression. Our front door replacement Tailor Michigan options offer a variety of styles and materials to suit any aesthetic preference. Patio replacement doors. Tailor are perfect for those looking to blend indoor and outdoor living spaces. Our sliding doors. Tailor and French doors. Tailor Michigan options provide seamless transitions and enhance the overall ambiance of your home. Door replacement. Tailor MI is crucial for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your doors. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle any door replacement needs, ensuring your doors operate smoothly and efficiently. Custom replacement doors. Tailor offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home. With a wide range of door styles, Tailor Michigan, and door materials, Tailor MI, you can create a door that reflects your personal taste and complements your home's architecture. Energy-efficient doors. Tailor Michigan are an excellent investment for reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Our selection of energy-efficient doors is designed to provide maximum insulation and comfort. Door upgrades. Tailor can significantly enhance your home's value and functionality. Our door upgrades include advanced security features, energy-efficient options, and modern designs. Door styles Tailor Michigan offer a wide array of choices for homeowners looking to update their doors. From traditional to contemporary, our door styles cater to all tastes and preferences.